land on the homepage, the first section is the IML DLC, where you can get all the AI related deals, but also some of the fintech deals, where you can get a short-term loan with an easy to follow process. As of now, I am taking the example of Canva. Once I click on Canva, I can easily get Canva AI Pro access for 1 year at 300 rupees. Next, we are moving on to the big brand deal section, where you can click on view all. There are 200 plus brands that are here, so it may take some time to load, but eventually you will be able to see all the brands that you use on a daily basis. As of now, I'm clicking on Amazon Shopping, and you can see all the denominations from 250 rupees. As per your order value, you can click on the voucher and you can claim your particular voucher code and coupon code. There is a process and steps given also. Once you click on buy now, you can complete your purchase and you can move further. Next, moving on to the shared subscription section, where you can get all types of subscriptions that you want, starting from YouTube Premium, Netflix Premium, Crunchyroll, and many more. As of now, I'm choosing Crunchyroll. Once I click on it, a few groups are already full, so you can join the ones that have the members space. Once you click the join button, click the pay now button to complete the payment. Within 24 hours, you will receive your credentials. In the hyperlocal lead section, you can click any campus. As of now, I am clicking on Somaiya campus. Once you click on that, you will be shown all the cafes and the local deals that are available. Once you click on a deal, you can click grab this deal. Scan this QR code at checkout to claim the specified percentage of your order value. Next, we are moving on to the courses and job section. In the first section itself, you can apply for internships and jobs, as we are hiring for different departments. You can submit your application by providing all the required information. You can also click on Internshala internships to apply for various internships in one place. For marketing, sales, or even tech, you can easily secure an internship. In the fashion deals, we have Styked as the top brand partner that we have, where you could find your favorite tops and you can shop at highly exclusive discounts starting from 25% off on tops. Next, we are moving on to the health deals section, where you can click on the first InfiHeal, where you can solve your mental health issues by chatting with the Hello. Next, you are moving on to the mobile recharge section, where you can enter your phone number and you can get your particular cashback visible on your screen right away. Once you see all the plans and select the one which is suitable to you, once you complete the payment, the recharge will be successful instantly and your cashback will be credited in your bank account. Next, we are moving on to the personalized gift card deals, where you can see all the hyperlocal and even some of our web scrap deals and get all the available deals. Plus, once you click on the AI model, which is at the bottom right corner, you can click on Gen Z GPT. Plus, you can click on ChatGPT 5, where you can use the premium version of Gemini, ChatGPT, and even Claude. We have a different video for Claude on the I button. You can click on it and you can get amazing discounts on Claude I.